Can you mix pine sol or pine glo with vinegar? This is a follow-up video. About 2 weeks ago, I've used pine glo and vinegar mix to clean bathtub faucet, bathroom sink faucet, and kitchen faucet. Well, today it's been over 2 weeks and I want to share this with you to show you how it looks now since I haven't cleaned it. And then what else can you do to keep your faucet shining all the time without scrubbing? And let's take a look. So it has been more than 2 weeks since I made the video of using the pine glo or pine sol and vinegar mix to clean the bathtub. I haven't cleaned it since, and we're gonna take a look. And as you can see, it is filthy because I haven't cleaned it for 2 weeks now, over 2 weeks. And so the simple and easiest things you can do is you don't need to use the vinegar mix to clean this again. You will, but not at this moment. At least all you have to do is just wipe this down. And what we do is just use a sponge and just wet it and squeeze the water out, and then just use the fine part and then just clean that off. And just go over it like that. And then once that is done, just use your towel and wipe it off. Look at how the shiny has come. See? That's it. And you can do this for over a month before you actually need to clean this again. Look at that. Just wipe this off. And see how the shine has come back? That's it. And then it comes to its normal. You don't have to do any hard scrubbing at all. And then we can see the shine. The shine has come back. And that's it. That is the trick I use to keep it clean all the time. You just wipe them off. Now your bathtub faucet is just brand new again without doing any much work at all. And this is our bathroom sink faucet. It's the same thing. All you have to do, you can see that it's dirty because I haven't cleaned it for over 2 weeks. All you have to do, just use your wet sponge. Just go over it quickly. Then we just use that to bring back the shine and just wipe it off. And there we go. Now we have the shine back. It's shiny as new again. You don't have to do too much scrubbing at all. Look at that. And that's it. You are done. And this is our kitchen sink faucet, and you can see it hasn't been cleaned, and you see the dullness of it, the water stain, all that, but we can make it shine. So simple. We wet the sponge and we just go over it. You don't need anything. If you want to use a soap, you can, but it's not needed. And then just go over it. Then after that, you just wipe. Look at the shine already. And it just come back to its normal shyness. You don't have to do any extra work. And this can last for more than a month. Look at that. Look at the shine. You see, this is what I do to keep my bathtub faucet, kitchen faucet, bathroom sink faucet. This is what I do to keep them shine all the time. I don't have to do extra cleaning all the time, and that is perfect to last. This will last another week and a half and 2 weeks. You just do the same thing until you think you need a solution, then you just mix and clean. And this is how you just keep your faucet all the time, neat, shine all the time. And that will be a little secret. And if you can mix Pine Sol or Pine Glo and vinegar to clean your bathtub faucet, your bathroom sink faucet, your kitchen sink faucet, yes you can. And even after a month of using the solution to clean all these things, you can still keep making them shine. The shine lasts for a long time, and this is my little secret cleaning tip I want to share with you today. Try it and let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel. No scrubbing, just wipe, wipe, wipe. Let me share with you. If you can mix vinegar and Pine Sol or Pine Glo, let me share that with you right now.